Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be my first video reviewing my 10K to 20K journey. I really want to give you guys a bit of a more understanding on how I'm going to be growing this account and what my strategy is going to be. So I hope to double this account in the first, 4 months of this year. But I want to be clear that it doesn't mean I'm going to make 100% return on this account. Rather, I'm going to use my prop firm challenges and the money I make from prop firms on my funded accounts to funnel that into this account so that this account can grow. And then I can work on, because once this account's up to 20K, I can work on making 2 to 5% a week or even a month and withdraw that to my own account, for my savings and my checking and stuff. So I really want this account to be like a live demonstration on how you can grow an account using prop firm challenges, and then once the account's grown, how you can take money out of that account to pay yourself on a biweekly basis like you would at a job. So I want to document the whole journey so that everyone can see how it's done. So we're up $100 from last week, 1%. And this is also the minus the broker fees. I pay $25 a month for data feed, as well as data feed and exchange fees. So that's what it comes out to both. So I get CME data and I also get the CBOT data, Chicago Board of Trade. So, because last week I got evacuated from my home, I didn't trade this account the whole entire week. You can see the executions. I traded on Monday and I traded on Tuesday. Each trade I made 0.5%, sizing 0.5%. So, a net gain of 1% this week. And then Wednesday, I was on stream at ASFX TV. That's where I stream with my team. And we call trades live, but because I only have two monitors, I have to choose a few accounts to trade. So I traded the prop firm accounts on Tuesday or on Wednesday instead of trading my personal account. Also, I was ended up evacuating that day, so I just didn't have time to trade anything else. Thursday, we were slow because of Jimmy Carter's death. And Friday, I was not at my regular desk, so I just had my laptop and I chose to just trade the prop firm accounts. And so I took my payout on the prop firm accounts, and I can actually pull up that image because so I took 1,500 out and a couple amounts from each account, and that will be used to put in my savings and just to get my emergency fund up to the full, like I'm doing like a 5-month emergency fund, and then the rest of my payouts are going to be funneled into this account, which you guys will see along the year. So going over the two trades, that was Tuesday's trade. Here's Monday's trade. It was an interesting start to the week. We kind of just had this grind up. We were up maybe 0.7% overnight. And then we just had a slow trickle continuation before a sell off into the afternoon. I trailed my stop aggressively on this and ended up getting tapped for a small loss. Or, sorry, excuse me, a medium sized winner. I maybe left $15 to $20 on the table. So, not concerned about that. And so then this is Tuesday's trade, taking a low of day VWAP break and getting out at 15 points in profit. So two quality trades this week, and nothing. I want to showcase that it's not always about just taking a bunch of trades, and you know, it's just about having proper setup. So I do I do want to be making more P&L on this account than just $50 to $100 a trade. I just needed to kind of get back in the flow of things as the new year started, which I did fantastically this week. Took a payout, and you can see this was my week on the prop accounts. So I'm up 1,300, 15 trades, 11 winners, and basically I just took that as a payout. So that's pretty awesome. And yeah, I don't there's not much more on this account for this week. It's just a kind of a quick update. And I'm going to be making these update videos weekly, so keep tuned. And if there's anything you want me to add in this series about, I'm going to make a portion about my strategy, but anything you want me to add to this series that you want me to either cover weekly or bi-weekly, please let me know, because I'm here for you guys. I just want to help you guys learn. So I guess last thing, we can quickly review where we are on in the market. We're basically we're breaking the higher high trend. We're starting to set in lower highs and lower lows here. This would be the lower high, and then this is the new lower low made on Friday. This zone, this 5750 zone, is going to be important. That's kind of the catch zone for ES, and we could also find it in the right under the 15 or the 580 mark. So we'll see what happens next week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.